How to verify bank card in Binomo. I'm going to show you how you can easily verify your bank card in Binomo. First, open Google Chrome on your PC. In the search bar, type Binomo and press Enter. Then click on the first link that appears in the search results to navigate to the official Binomo website. Now, once you are on the Binomo homepage, locate and click on the Deposit button. This will take you to the Deposit Options page. Here, you will see a list of different deposit methods. Next, choose Bank Transfer from the available options. After that, you need to enter your additional information, such as your bank account details and any required personal information. Make sure all details are correct to avoid issues with your deposit. Then type in the amount you wish to deposit into the designated field. This is the amount that will be transferred from your bank account to your Binomo account. Now, to complete the verification process for your bank card, follow the instructions provided on the screen. This may include verifying your card through a confirmation code sent by your bank. Once your card is verified, go to the Withdraw Funds section to ensure that everything is set up properly for future withdrawals. After that, return to the Deposit Funds section. Finally, choose your preferred deposit method and follow the prompts to complete your deposit.